There is a tidal wave of new Ridgid tools and batteries coming to your local Home Depot and available online. In this video, we're going to fill you guys in on some of what's coming soon and what we're most excited about. But first, if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and it's 100% free. Power is the #1 priority for Ridgid's R86-212B high torque impact wrench. With its half-inch drive, it's capable of producing 900 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,300 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. To control the performance, you have 3 standard modes and an auto-tightening mode that automatically stops to reduce the risk of over-tightening. The bare tool is going to run you $249, and a kit with a 4 amp hour max output battery will be $319. This impact is going to be available beginning spring of 2022. If mid-torque fits your needs more, well, you've got 2 options when it comes to Ridgid's new 2022 impact wrench offerings. The R86012B model has a friction ring that lets you quickly change sockets, and the R86012PDB model is a pin detent that's going to keep your sockets securely in place. Both models produce 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 500 foot-pounds of fastening torque. And like that high torque impact wrench we just mentioned, it also comes with 3 standard modes and an auto-tightening mode. Both tools will be available as bare tools and with kit options starting in spring of 2022. Staying in the automotive sector, Ridgid plans to release a new line of cordless ratchets. They're going to have them in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch varieties. These ratchets have a 2-finger variable speed trigger and a recessed forward and reverse switch. And the slim head profile they've got on these tools will make them very easy to use in tight spaces. As Ridgid increases the drive size, it also steps up the power at the cost of speed. So the 1/4 inch model gives you 45 foot-pounds of torque that speeds up to 325 RPM. The 3/8 inch model gets a boost to 55 foot-pounds of torque, clocking in at 250 RPM. In that 1/2 inch ratchet, it's going to deliver 60 foot-pounds of torque with a maximum removal speed of 175 RPM. The 2 smaller ratchets ring up at about $179 for the bare tool and $229 for the kit with a 2 amp hour battery. In the 1/2 inch, well, that's going to run you about $20 more at $199 for the bare tool and $249 for the kit. You have any questions about Ridgid's new line of automotive tools? Leave those down in the comments below, and while you're at it, let us know what tools you'd like to see us review next. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.